This one has an air mattress.
It don't look bad, but it was bad, y'all.
Some of them have the linen already made. It's a sign on the door that says to strip everything when you leave for housekeeping to come clean.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not fun enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, then he blowing her back. Think about niggas in the last day.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, yes, and I'm gonna just say yes because I'm trying to process everything myself. Hold on, let me put this back up here. So right now I'm in the middle of going ahead and getting ready for work because I need to leave, not really in a minute, but way earlier than way earlier than the time I usually leave. Hold on, I'm trying to get my bracelet back on. I'm having a hard time. All right, that was tougher than what it was supposed to be. But yeah, I have to leave earlier than what I normally do. Then I need to go defrost my car. So not defrost my car, get the snow off my car first and then defrost my car. If y'all don't know, or if y'all are new here, I live in Texas. I've been to Alaska, so the snow ain't really nothing to me no more because this just fake snow, to be for real. But if you don't know, Texas don't play with no type of snow, sleet, ice, nothing. So yeah, it's the Alaska out here. I'm very calm and chill today because I got a lot on my mind. So energy is not really like it normally be. But I came over here to say hey to y'all. I need to finish packing up the rest of my stuff. And then I was gonna say something else. Oh, I started classes this week, so this week is week 1. Hence the energy and everything. It's just like a lot going on. But like, let me just go ahead and still give them a video or something. I have been trying to catch up on editing and uploading. So yeah, that's that. As of right now, do I want to put this on my face or no? I'm gonna just put some vitamin E oil. It's cold outside. I'm gonna just press it actually. What was I gonna say? As of right now, that's what we're gonna do. I have my clothes. Let me show y'all. Got a comb. So I have my clothes that I'm gonna wear today right here, and then this is what I guess I'm gonna wear tomorrow. That's just the first thing I seen. Compression socks, some headphones, and then I kind of got out some sleepers just like 5 seconds ago. Plus my mama got me a new travel CosRx snail kit. So I'm gonna put that in my travel bag because I have this little bag that I keep my things in. I got some new Q-tips, but these ain't too new no more. I still got some in these with a pair of lashes. Hold on. Oh, I got some bracelets and stuff. Okay, this ain't even supposed to be up in here. So I normally take this. See, I already have some CosRx mini ones in here because I normally do, but I've been running out. Natrium, face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, bonding glue. I'm black, y'all know. I'll take another one too. I gotta find out where I put it. I normally take this La Roche-Posay, but you can see, baby, it's gone. The snow, can y'all see? Yeah. So it snowed a little bit more this morning. Not too much more. Let's see, where is my other one? Oh, I need to take some body wash too. So take some of that. Should I take my EOS? Y'all know I live by the vanilla cashmere. Or should I take some body butter since it's cold? The Natrium body butter. I'm gonna take the EOS because if I lose it or leave it, I'll be okay mentally. If I lose or leave the other one, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna take the purple one. I'm gonna take this one. So I don't know where my other thing is. Let me get my purse. Oh, I have my purse up here. And then I have my 2 jackets. So I didn't make my bed, and I'm not going to. So I'm taking my purse. Well, I'm not taking my purse. So I need to get my wallet and stuff out. Ooh, I need to get some snacks. Just remember that. Okay, so I thought I was further ahead, but I guess not. My Apple Watch is over here charging. I don't know where the heck is my other... Did I put it in this drawer? No, but let me take my bonnet while I'm thinking about it. Okay. I'm up here packing like I'm gonna be gone, but no, I just be needing everything. So, give me a little bit, y'all. Wow, whole time I was talking, I wasn't recording. Let me go back and see those last thing I said. Okay. It was something under my chin I seen. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's like lint or something. My face is extra. I put so much on, but it's cold outside. I need to stay hydrated. But I was saying that I'm not bringing my purse. So I need to take out my wallet. Let me do that now since I'm thinking about it. And then my cards all over the place in this little wallet. Like, why is they sticking out? and yeah, my passport, it ain't in the... Okay, yeah, I am all over the place. And I don't even know why. This hand sanitizer is in here. When it's not even the one that goes in here. This like goes in my backpack. Oh, speaking of backpack, I need to pack up my school stuff. Okay. So, hold on. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get everything situated because I'm all over the place real quick right now. And I got, oops, my watch charging. Bye. Okay, it got dark. It's getting dark. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I started my car. I really don't have much to get off the car anymore. But I packed all my stuff in my Victoria's Secret pink bag. This thing needs to be washed so bad. But all my stuff is in here, like overnight wise. And I still got my backpack. My baby not in there. With my school stuff and everything in there. My lunch bag. I promise my favorite color isn't pink. These chips. Oh, dang, the thing just came off of them. Hold on. But yeah, I'm about to put my jackets, both my jackets on, and my shoes on, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car. No, I'm gonna call my man. I'm gonna see y'all at the job because, yeah, that sounds reasonable. Turn this TV off. Everything else is off. Okay, yeah. And I gotta drive slow, so I need to hurry up and go. I'll see y'all at work. Okay, I made it to the car. You can see the ice, even on my sunroof. You can barely see my sunroof, hold on. Even the ice, girl, you can still barely see it. Well, the ice is covering. But on the sides, everything good. I might be a little late. It's already 7:02. Well, no, that clock is so wrong since daylight saving time. Oh, I thought I turned this on. Okay. Yeah. I was wondering why it was so quiet. I thought it was because of all the snow. But yeah, TTYL. Okay, y'all. So, I made it to work. I hope y'all can hear me because I also got an earpiece in. Keep it out. I don't know. I came up here looking for something too. But, also wanted to say, I seen that they have the rooms set up. Some of them have beds, like regular like adult size beds, and then some of them have air mattresses. I'll show y'all in a minute. But I probably won't end up having to stay just because of the fact that oh, it looked like everything was melting when I left. But also my mom said that tonight it's supposed to, like, because the sun was out, it's supposed to melt and then get really cold, like through in the middle of the night, and then it might freeze over and turn to ice. So also not too sure, but I'll keep y'all updated, obviously. But let me go show y'all what I'm talking about. So yeah, some of the rooms are empty with this bed. Some of them have the linen already made. It's a sign on the door that says to strip everything when you leave for housekeeping to come clean. Some people are sleeping, so I'm trying to whisper. But let me show y'all the other room. This one has an air mattress. It has 2 cribs in here. I guess it's just for storage. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'd rather take the bed. I don't know. But yeah. I'm back. But yeah, that's that. I need to take these nails off. Really, now that I'm at work, I'm not really as enthusiastic to stay here like I was. I don't know. I mean, I never was, but you know how it be when you're at work.
So Sarah.
So making sure that was still on. So yeah, y'all. All right, hey y'all, I'm off of work. You can see the sunrise coming up a little bit. I actually ended up picking the room. Hold on. Okay, it's some light. It's some light. I didn't want to turn the big light on, but I actually ended up picking the room that I showed y'all earlier. They had the full mattress instead of the hospital bed, because I've been in a hospital bed a lot last year, so I didn't even want to, you know what I'm saying? But this one has my room, so I already got my linens and some towels. When I was getting these things, I was like, dang, I forgot to get some linens from home, and especially some towels, or at least the little travel loofah I be having. Like, I be having a couple of those. Forgot to get all that. So yeah, I got an extra. Oh, anyways, and I got the one with the 2 cribs. So I'm gonna actually put the cribs in front of the door, and then here's my bag. I got it out the car, and it's definitely like iced out there. I also got some Frosted Flakes and some milk. I ain't never had this one before, but I got it to try. It's the very vanilla soy milk. So I'm gonna see how that goes. So I also gotta get it ready. I ain't got too much to do tonight. I actually edited a video, so I'm gonna get that uploaded tonight as well before I go to sleep. These are just my jackets and stuff. I was just showing y'all before everything, because I'm finna call my man. But I'm gonna call him, set up the bed, set up the room, take a shower, and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. All right, y'all. I just got out the shower. Took that pimple patch off. Now it's like my scalp to the skin. SpongeBob is on. Got the bed ready a little bit. I was laying there because I was on the phone. Uploading a YouTube video for y'all right now. Got my bunny. You can see the sun coming out. My remote thing, I don't know why it's touching my pillow. Ew. My remote thing volume wasn't working, so I had to use this one. And so y'all know that's the one from the parent side of the room. So I had to put that one on that side. So yeah, I'm about to get in the bed, shut it down, and well, I'm about to eat this cereal, but Hold on, let me turn this light out. All right. So I just wanted to, hold on. I hope this TV not louder than me. I just wanted to, I'll be getting more freckles by the day. Let me show you what it kind of look like outside. I just wanted to say, dang, heck no, it's okay, I'll show y'all. Look at it. That mud down to the pink meat. It is icy. I mean, it's still snowy, but it's literally was ice out there. It don't look bad, but it was bad, y'all. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I get up for work. So in a couple hours, I'll see y'all. Okay, hey y'all, I am up, as you can see. It is 5:48. My shift don't start till 6:30, but I think we have to be out of the rooms at 6. Plus I cleaned the room and everything, and then I'm gonna call housekeeping to do a deep clean of the room once I leave. Right now I am about to go to the car to put all my stuff. You see I got on both my jackets and my work shirt. So I'm about to go to the car to it's hot, it's getting hot, to put up my like overnight bag, and then and then I'm gonna take my other stuff, my backpack, to the floor. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After this I'm gonna go down to the cafeteria and see what they got. If they ain't got nothing, I could just walk to Chick-fil-A because it's about like 3 minutes, but I don't even feel like going out there. So if they ain't got nothing, I'll just get a snack from in there and then get something to eat when I get off, for real. I brought something to eat in my lunchbox from yesterday, but I just wanted to go ahead and close this video out. Yeah, it wasn't really much, it wasn't really nothing, but overall I hope y'all still, can y'all hear me? Did y'all hear that? I thought I heard somebody. But overall, I hope y'all still liked and enjoyed the video. And it's in case y'all just wanted to know like what it'd be like or what's it like. It ain't really like nothing. Plus, it wasn't that many people that stayed the night last night, because this day, because I work night shift. Because the real bad part of the snowstorm was like 2 days ago, and I was off for like a week. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. If y'all want to see more related content or more whatever, I don't know, why am I whispering? Don't know. But like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment a heart if you made it this far. And yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.